Living in America and the rent is too high. It's too doggone high. But good news, guys. There's some people that's working on it. They are working on it, guys. But we're not going to talk about that on this video. That's coming up next. All across the states, affordable housing, new builds. We'll be talking about that for the low income families and affordable housing so you can know what's out there, what's being built. Today, we're going to talk about Section 8. We're going to talk about project-based vouchers, housing choice vouchers, public housing. The only thing I ask you guys to do, because you know I started this community trying to prevent and reduce homelessness, and I always say it starts right here with us. So one person at a time, we're trying to reduce the homelessness, and I'm asking, as I give you the information, you pass the baton, you spread the love, you give this information to as many people as possible so they can get themselves on the list, all right? Your homeless communities, families, and friends. And then let me know in the comments what states you would be interested in knowing about, where you would be interested in moving, where your family and friends are, all right? So, but do your due diligence, because we're talking about project-based vouchers, housing, public housing, all of that. Even though we know public housing these days are not our grandparents' public housing in some cities. I said some, all right? That's a big some. Some of them they have torn down and rebuild and all of that. But do your due diligence. Make sure the units and the surroundings fit your family, guys. With that being said, let us get on started, because you know when I'm not on here live, you know I only have so much storage. So let's get started right off the bat. We have Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher. We're talking about Pennsylvania today. Bucks County, Pennsylvania Family Up Unification Program. She don't have on her glasses. Your girl don't have on her glasses today, all right? Let's say it again. Bucks County, Pennsylvania Family Unification Program has a housing choice voucher, guys. There's no preferences concerned as far as I know, all right? Public housing in Grundy Tower, Grundy Gardens, McIntosh, Regency, and Ben Salem Woods Conventional. That's BENSALEM. Public housing there. All right, another Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys. Yay! Why do we like them so much? Because we know they are portable. Once you have them a year, you can transfer to another state or another county that will accept the voucher. That's it. They have to accept the voucher. It is in Columbia County, Pennsylvania, guys. I thought you might want to know that. We also, for the seniors and the veterans only is their preferences, and Lycoming Housing Authority is public housing. LYCOMING. Please let your veterans and your seniors know, all right? Veterans have served our country. They don't need to be without a house. Our seniors are our elders. They don't need to be without housing, all right? They want to be independent for as long as possible. They don't want to have to move with us. They don't have to live with anybody else. I know when it's my time, I'm hoping I don't have to live with anybody either, all right? So Sunbury Housing Authority has public housing, guys. There's a 2, 3, and 4 bedroom low-income housing tax credit in Pennsylvania for the disabled, the homeless, and the seniors. All right. I take that back. 2, 3, 4 bedroom low-income housing tax credit, project-based voucher throughout Pennsylvania. Contact your local housing authorities. Now, for the disabled, the homeless, and the seniors. We want our homeless to have housing. We want the disabled to have housing. You know, Section 8, with those new rules changing, homeless people had not quite the priority. But for them to confirm that that's their priority that they want, please pass it on. This is the Housing Authority of the City of York. All right, so public housing, disabled, homeless, and the seniors. Project-based voucher in Beaver County, Beaver Falls, Coppell County, Koppel, New Brighton, and Rochester, guys. I'm hurrying. Project-based voucher for seniors only at Emory Senior Housing, Section 8. All right. Robert P. Smith Towers, Marshall W. Lee Towers, Sidney Pollock House, and Golden Age Manor. Public housing, guys. All right, I'm trying to go fast. You just have to rewind it to rehear it, for me to repeat it. All right, seniors and veterans, guys. Public housing at McKeesport Housing Authority. The Housing Authority of the County of Butler. Public housing for the displaced, the disabled, seniors, and the locals only. Public housing at the Housing Authority of the City of Erie, E-R-I-E, the state's capital, and the Housing Authority of the County of Beaver. Public housing waiting list open. Johnstown Housing Authority public housing. Public housing at Bright Hops Community, Crest Manor, North Hills Manor has general occupancies. Mercer County Housing Authority public housing. Housing Authority of the County of Lawrence public housing for the homeless and the locals only, guys. Let your homeless families know out there. We don't want to see kids on the street. All right. Schuylkill County Housing Authority, what a name. Housing Choice Voucher, guys. It is for the displaced, the veterans, and the locals. That is SCHUYLKILL. Ooh, what was they thinking about? All right. Lamont Plaza for the veterans, guys. Public housing only for the veterans. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania for the seniors. Emory Senior Housing, Section 8. And Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania for the seniors. Hillcrest Senior Residence. Project-based voucher at Homes at Thackton, THACKSTON Park. Homes at Thackton Park, 1 and 5 bedrooms, low income housing tax credit, guys. Barnett Building in Albion, Pennsylvania. Project-based voucher for the seniors and the disabled. For the homeless and the families with children, guys. Madero Estates and Penn Court Apartments, 2 and 3 bedrooms. MEDARDO, Madero Estates. Clarion in Forest County, Pennsylvania for the locals only, a Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys. That's Clarion and Forest County, only for the locals. Edinburgh Court for the locals only. That's in Knox, Pennsylvania. Allegheny Union Baptist Association, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, project-based voucher. Altoona, Pennsylvania, Housing Choice Voucher for the seniors only, guys. Pleasant Village Property, project-based voucher in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Housing Authority of the City of Franklin, public housing. And Pennsylvania Public Housing. I don't know what that was supposed to mean. Marvin J. Schick, Corey Elderly, Corey Family, Gerald S. Salisbury, and College View Manor. So these are apartment units, public housing. So Corey, Erie, and Northeast County, Pennsylvania, these are in. I'll say again, Marvin J. Schick, Carrie Elderly, Corey Family, Gerald S. Salisbury, College View Manor. All right, Blair County Housing and Redevelopment, public housing. McKean County Redevelopment and Housing Authority, guys. The employed, the displaced, the disabled, the seniors, the veterans, the locals, and active military. Please let your military families know. Right here in Pennsylvania, that's McKean County Redevelopment and Housing Authority. That's for everybody, seems like. All right, Somerset County Public Housing for the locals only. The Housing Authority of the City of Corey, public housing for families with children, seniors, disabled, displaced, and the locals. All right, Du Bois Housing Authority, public housing. Housing Authority of the County of Jefferson, public housing. Come on, Amisha, come on. All right, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom, Hazleton, Pennsylvania, public housing for the displaced and veterans only. 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms, guys. Titusville Housing Authority, public housing for the veterans only. If I didn't say the Housing Authority of the County of Jefferson, public housing. Hillside Apartments has 2 bedrooms for the veterans only in Clarion, Pennsylvania. Shadeview Apartments, 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms in Middlesburg, Pennsylvania, project-based voucher. Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys, for everyone. McKean County, Pennsylvania. Venango County, Pennsylvania, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher for the veterans only. Bucks County, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, no preferences. Adams County, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher for the displaced, the homeless, and the locals. Please let your homeless and displaced know. Cherry Run in Remersburg, Pennsylvania for the locals. All right, homes at Thaxton Park. We said that 1 and 5 bedroom project-based voucher this time. Cambria County, Pennsylvania, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys, for the veterans and the locals only. Evan Owen Memorial Apartments, elderly or non-elderly disabled. Berwick, Pennsylvania, for the locals, the seniors, and the employed. Fayette County Housing Authority, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, unlocked for the displaced and the veterans only. Pittston Public Housing. Clinton Housing Authority Public Housing. Pottsville Public Housing. Franklin County Public Housing. Delaware County Public Housing. Schuylkill County Public Housing. Du Bois Housing Authority, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, no preferences, guys. DUBOIS. The Housing Authority of Indiana County, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, yay. Who it's for, the veterans, the locals, the homeless, and the disabled. Also, a Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher in Huntingdon County for the employed, the displaced, the disabled, the seniors, and the locals. Another Housing Choice Voucher in Westmoreland County for the displaced, the homeless, and the veterans. Housing Authority of Century County, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, no preferences. Housing Authority of the City of Nanticoke, public housing for the displaced, the disabled, seniors, and veterans. Whoa, didn't realize this list was so long. Okay, Cumberland County, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys, for families with children, the employed, the displaced, the locals, the disabled, and the seniors. I would have came on live if I knew this. Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, no preferences at Susquehanna County Housing and Redevelopment Authority. Let me spell that. Susquehanna. For the locals only, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, the Wyoming County Housing and Redevelopment Authorities. For Pennsylvania, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, guys, in Carbon County. Looks like it's for everybody. Sunbury Housing Authority, Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher. Housing Authority of the County of Chester, project-based voucher. Delaware County, guys, has a Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher for the locals, the veterans, the displaced, and the employed. Another Housing Choice Voucher in Mifflin County Housing Authority for the displaced, the homeless. Okay, I knew it was going to happen. So this Mifflin County Housing Authority Section 8 Voucher for the displaced, the homeless, the locals. Delaware County, we said that. All right, Century County Housing Authority Public Housing, Housing Authority of Indiana County Public Housing, Greene County Housing Authority Public Housing, County of Armstrong Public Housing, guys, the City of Meadville Public Housing for the veterans only, Connellsville Housing Authority Public Housing, Huntingdon County Public Housing, Westmoreland County Public Housing, Fayette County Public Housing for the displaced and the veterans only. Westmoreland wanted the displaced, the homeless, and the veterans. Snyder County Public Housing for the displaced and locals. Housing Authority of the County of Elk Public Housing. Lehigh Public Housing. Cumberland Public Housing. The Wyoming County Housing and Redevelopment for Locals Only Public Housing. Carbon County Public Housing. Housing Authority of the County of Northumberland Public Housing. Housing Authority of Luzerne, Luzern Public Housing. Lebanon County Public Housing. Wilkes-Barre Housing Authority Public Housing. And that is for the disabled, seniors, veterans, and locals. Housing Authority of the County of Elk, if I didn't say, public housing for the displaced, the disabled, the seniors, and the locals. All right, guys, so just rewind, replay, whatever you got to do. I love you. Be well, be safe. Like, subscribe, and share.